Hey, it's Rob from Big Green Egg, here to show you. What was that for? All I was going to tell you is I wanted to show. Oh, I get it. You want me to be clean, don't you? I can do that, because today I'm going to show you our new cleaning products from SpeediClean. First, we're going to start with our exterior ceramic cleaner, which is a non-corrosive degreaser. And this is great for the outside of the egg, keeping it nice and clean from the elements. Next, we're going to have the cooking grid cleaner, which is a non-toxic citrus cleaner, which you use on the cooking grid surface. So this is great for that. You're also going to have the exterior stain remover, which is a non-scratch formula that you can get those really dark spots up at the top here when sometimes the grease comes down. That is great for that. All right, now I want to talk about some of our new brushes. We've got rid of those metal bristles, and now we have our Palmyra bristled long-handled brush that has the new wood bristles in it. This has a nice little edge to get the grid, and it also has a nice piece here that you just turn that you can replace these bristles with no problem. We also have the Palmyra bristled dual head brush, which is great for the grid cleaning, and also the pizza stones you can keep clean with these as well. And again, you just turn these and you can replace the heads. And speaking of the replacements, we do sell them in a 2-pack. So this is great. If you want to replace those over time, you can. Also, our new diamond coated nylon grid scrubber, which this is one of my new favorite products here. All right, that's it for our new cleaning products. If you need more information, log on to biggreenegg.com, go to accessories and the cleaning products tab. Until next time, folks, keep it clean.